Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wringing mop is probably one of the most underrated cleaning tools in your arsenal. It's time to ditch the old, inefficient methods and discover how a good wringing mop can transform your cleaning routine. We're diving deep into the world of wringing mops, exploring their features, benefits, and how they can make your floor sparkle with minimal effort. Get ready to say goodbye to streaks and hello to a cleaner, healthier home. Number 5. O-Cedar EasyWring Spin Mop. Introducing the O-Cedar EasyWring Mop. This innovative design features a built-in wringer, so you never have to get your hands wet. The splash guard keeps water contained, making cleaning a breeze. The microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable. For the best results, replace the mop head every 3 months. It's convenient and keeps your floor sparkling. This mop uses advanced microfiber to capture dirt and grime with just water. It's safe for all hard floor surfaces, eliminating the need for harsh chemicals. It cleans effectively and gently. The patented triangle mop head rotates 360 degrees, allowing it to reach deep into corners and under furniture. It ensures a thorough clean in every area. Each EasyWring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. This offer includes 1 refill, saving you time and money on replacements. The telescopic handle extends up to 48 inches, so anyone can mop comfortably. It's designed for ease of use and to reduce strain. The microfiber mop attracts and locks in dirt, dust, and pet hair. It can be used wet or dry for mopping or dusting. It removes over 99% of bacteria with water. What we like? This mop offers hands-free wringing, keeping your hands clean and dry. Its machine washable head saves you money and time. If you are looking for a convenient and efficient cleaning solution for various floor types, this is the one for you. What people say. The handle is adjustable for height, which was great, and very easy to use. The quality of the microfiber head was excellent, it washed well and the dirt came right out in the wash. Makes mopping easy, so much easier to handle, soak, wring, and rinse. The bucket is sturdy and the handles make it easy to empty. The mop is collapsible but not fragile or flimsy. You can feel the difference in cleaning with quality tools. Left no residue on my floors, just fresh smooth floors and walls for that matter. Number 4. O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop. Introducing the O-Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop. This innovative system ensures you always clean with fresh water, eliminating the need to mop with dirty water. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and over 99% of bacteria, using only water. The built-in foot pedal allows you to easily control the water amount on your floors. You can save up to 4 times on your cleaning costs annually compared to other leading brands. This mop provides an economical and efficient cleaning solution. The microfiber mop heads are easily removable and machine washable. This feature saves you time and money, and you can replace them when needed. This mop is safe for all hard floor surfaces, including hardwood, laminate, tile, and vinyl. It's designed to provide a thorough clean without damaging your floors. The triangular mop head allows for better corner cleaning. Its 360-degree rotation helps you easily mop under furniture and in hard-to-reach areas. What we like? This mop ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water, enhancing hygiene. It effectively eliminates bacteria, promoting a healthier home environment. If you prioritize cleanliness and want to avoid mopping with dirty water, this is a great choice. What people say. It makes cleaning so much easier and more efficient. The best part is that it has both a clean water tank and a dirty water tank, so you're never reusing dirty water on your floors. The pedal to spin out the excess water works great, and the quality feels solid. Number 3. Yocada Sponge Mop, Home and Commercial Cleaning. This Yocada mop comes with 2 sponge heads, one pre-installed and the other included. It's designed for effective cleaning of various surfaces. You'll find everything you need right in the box. Installing the sponge head is simple. Align the iron clamp with the groove and firmly insert it. To remove it, just pull the ring on the mop head. It's designed for convenience. The mop features a honeycomb sponge design. This design enhances absorbency and breathability, allowing it to dry quickly. This design makes cleaning easier and more efficient. The handle is adjustable from 42.5 to 52 inches. simply twist the middle pole to adjust the length to your preference. This makes it comfortable for users of different heights. The mop includes a built-in squeegee. This feature helps you efficiently remove dirt and water. It makes cleaning faster and more effective. The sponge section is easily removable for cleaning or storage. This allows for thorough cleaning of the sponge. It's designed for easy maintenance. What we like. This mop features a highly absorbent honeycomb sponge for efficient cleaning. The adjustable handle ensures comfortable use for everyone. If you need a simple, effective mop with a squeegee for easy water removal, consider this one. What people say. It came with 2 mop heads. The mop handle unscrews into 3 pieces for easy transportation and storage. Heavy duty, comes with replacement head. This will last a long time. And works way better than my 5 other styles of mops. Number 2. Eyliden twist mop with 2 reusable heads. Tired of touching dirty water while mopping? This self-wringing twist mop is designed to keep your hands clean. It uses a ratchet in the handle to twist and wring out the water, making floor cleaning a breeze. The Eyliden microfiber mop head, model FZ02-2019, has incredible adsorptive power. It grabs dust, hair, and dirt with ease. Plus, it absorbs water efficiently, leaving your floors clean and dry. This mop features a washable microfiber head and a long 57.5-inch handle. It's perfect for both wet and dry mopping, and you won't have to bend over. It's also suitable for commercial use. This twist mop is great for cleaning bamboo, hardwood, tile, laminate, and other floors. It's safe and easy to use. The scrubbing pad on the mop head helps remove stubborn stains. The mop is easy to assemble with included instructions. The microfiber mop head is easily removable for replacement. It comes with an extra mop head, saving you money, and the handle has a hook for easy storage. What we like. This mop uses a self-wringing mechanism, keeping your hands clean. Its microfiber head effectively captures dirt and grime. If you want to avoid bending over while cleaning, this mop with its long handle is perfect for you. What people say. The mop head is very absorbent. The mop handle is adjustable. The mop is easy to assemble. Number 1. Oshang OG7 Flat Mop and Collapsible Bucket. Introducing a cleaning game changer. This flat mop and bucket set makes cleaning effortless. You can easily clean and wring it out with a simple up and down motion. It's great for all hard surfaces. Tired of difficult to clean mops? This one has a scraping blade that removes stains and hair. You can keep your hands clean while you clean. This large flat mop is designed for quick and easy household chores. It covers more surface area, saving you time and making cleaning versatile. The folding bucket combines portability with a space-saving design. It's made from durable materials and has a robust structure. The wheels make it easy to transport. The microfiber mop pads use high-quality materials, making them more effective than traditional mops. They easily remove dirt, pet hair, and dust, leaving your floor spotless. Upgrade your cleaning game with these unique pads. This mop and bucket are perfect for home, kitchen, bathroom, and office cleaning. You can use it wet for a deep clean or dry for dusting floors, ceilings, and baseboards. At Oshang, we strive for perfection in our products and our customer service. If you have any problems with it, please contact us. What we like. This mop has a flat design for efficient cleaning and a collapsible bucket with wheels for easy storage and transport. The reusable microfiber pads are cost-effective and environmentally friendly. If you are looking for a space-saving and versatile cleaning tool, this is the one for you. What people say. The mop head is very absorbent. The mop is easy to maneuver. The wringing mechanism works well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.